Hi everyone, this is going to be a video going over the third position in our pentatonic scales, both major and minor. We're going to be sticking with A just because that's what we've kind of been doing this entire time, so both A major and A minor. But remember, you can kind of take what you're learning here in the key of A major or minor, and then you can apply it to different keys. So for example, if you wanted to play a song, say, in B major, then take what I'm about to teach you in A major and shift it up two, right? Because, or shift it up a full step because B is a full step away from A. Or say you're playing a song in G minor, then take what I'm about to teach you in A minor and shift it down a step, right? Because G is a step down from A, right? So take what I'm learning here and then apply it to the different keys and things like that. So why don't we kind of go through this third position? So far, if I were to like do A major, we've got this guy, that's position 1, then we have position 2, and then position 3 of the A major. Whoops. So why don't we, what is that? Let's break that down. So we're starting up on the 5, 7, 9, we're starting on the 9th fret of the first string. We're going 9, 7, and then on the second string, we're doing 10, 7, and then we have this kind of shift where we then go, so 10, 7, now we're going 9, 6 on the third string, and then from the 4th, 5th, and 6th string, we've got like the box again, just like that. Now we got the box here. So we got from the 4th string, 5th string, and 6th string, it's just 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7. So and then where are the root notes? So if we're in A major, we got one right there. So that's on the what is that? That's the 10th fret of the second string. And if we keep going down, we got another one right there on the 7th fret of the 4th string. So that's another of our root notes. And then there's no other root notes in the scale after that one, or in that position, sorry. But if you wanted to grab another one, you could shift down to your position 2 and grab the A root right there. That's an option. Cool. So that is A major, position 3. A minor, position 3. Why don't we start off with our... So that's the A minor, position 1. A minor, position 2. Cool. And then position 3 of A minor. For a different root there. So what's that? It's the same sort of shape. It's just we're playing it at a different spot now. A minor is, we're going to start now, A minor, position 3 of the pentatonic. We're going to start on the 12th fret here. We're going to go 12, 10, and then we're going to grab on the second string, 12, 10, 13, 10, and then shift, 12, 9, and then it's box. 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10. Cool. So anyways, and then where are the root notes? So for this one, before we were aiming for where the major root slots would be for position 3. Now we're going to be aiming for where the minor root slots are. So we got one right there, right off the, wait. No, okay, sorry. So we got one right there. So if we were to go down the scale, we got one on the 10th fret of the second string. And if we keep going down, we got another one on the 12th fret of the 5th string. And then there's going to be no more bass notes But if you wanted to, you could grab that bass note right there. But what you're doing now is you're shifting to kind of the second position. You're shifting to the second position, and then you're shifting again to the first position. You're grabbing the bass note right there. So there you go. So that's position 3 of the A major and the A minor pentatonic scales. And like I said, you can take what you just learned there and you can then apply it to different keys, right? So all you got to do is just know, like, okay, let's say I'm playing a song in, let's say I'm playing like a blues in C or something like that. Okay, well, I know that like C is a step and a half up from A, so I can take whatever I'm doing here and just shift everything up by a step and a half, or shift everything up by by 3 movements. And then there you go. Now I'm playing the exact same thing, but I'm playing it in C major and C minor. So keep that in mind when you're using these things and when you're applying it to different keys. So I think we'll end there. So happy playing, and we'll see you next time.